Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Delis Dilandini. I'm student of Chemistry Education Study Program Postgraduate School, Universitas Negeri Medan. In this condition due to COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to report my online presentation, the 5th Annual International Seminar on Transformative Education and Education Leadership, or ISTEL 2020. My paper a title An Innovative Chemistry Learning Material with Project and Multimedia to Develop Student Thinking Skill on the Teaching of Anion Analysis. The background of the study is the first student thinking skill become the target life skill to be achieved when implementing the competency curriculum set by the Indonesian National Qualification Framework at Universitas Negeri Medan. The next learning innovation is the main key in providing innovative learning resources that can be used by students in optimizing their learning in order to fulfill the desired competencies in accordance with the demands of the KKNI Riset curriculum. An innovative learning research that is supported by technological advancement become a good choice because they are believed to able to guide the student to learn independently, especially during the pandemic COVID-19 period, which expects the student to learn from home. Next, innovative project-based learning researches have been proven to be effective to facilitate the student in developing critical thinking skills. So, innovative project-based learning is very relevant for teaching analytical chemistry. The purpose of the research is to develop an innovative learning material integrated with project and multimedia in the topic of anion analysis to be used as a learning resource to build student critical thinking skill in analytical chemistry. Method, population, and sample. The study was carried out in the Department of Chemistry Education, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Medan at academic year 2019-2020. During the pandemic COVID-19 time, the study was conducted involving 58 students. They were selected purposefully divided into the group, namely the group experiment group and the control group. Research procedure. The first, innovation learning research. Next, standardization of learning research for anion analysis. Next, innovation of project-based learning research of and multimedia. Next, implementation of innovative learning with project and multimedia. And student outcomes and thinking skill. Research result and discussion. The first, innovation of project-based learning, research, and multimedia. Teaching material of anion analysis consists of 5 subchapters and has 10 mini project titles that are relevant to the teaching material in each subtopic. Innovative learning packages with project and multimedia have successfully been developed for the teaching of anion analysis. Learning packages for subject anion analysis is complete systematical, consisting of complete chemical material, incorporating project packages into teaching material, and multimedia integration to facilitate online learning. Next, standardization of learning research for anion analysis. Innovation learning packed with project and multimedia have been standardized. The assessment result for all components were an average of 3.72, which is classified as very good. Next, implementation of innovative learning with project and multimedia. The developed standard innovative learning package has been used for teaching anion analysis. The fact that during the COVID-19 pandemic period, the students were requested to learn from home, then the learning activities are done online. The flow of student critical thinking skill in the experimental group 83.41 was higher than the control group 77.80. Thus, the result indicated that innovative learning packets can improve student critical thinking skill. And the average learning outcome in the experimental group 81.90 are higher than those of the control group 78.46. It can be stated that innovative learning with project in multimedia can develop student critical thinking skill in teaching and in analysis, and next have an impact on improving student learning outcomes. Conclusion: innovative learning packet with project and multimedia for teaching onion analysis has successfully been developed and standardized into become an effective learning resource for undergrad students to develop student critical thinking skill. An expert respondent gave an excellent assessment of the learning packet and were declared appropriate as a learning resource for undergrad chemistry student. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.